In this video, I'll show you how to fix Peacock not playing on Roku. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Roku device is connected to a stable internet network. Test other apps to verify connectivity. Step 2. Restart your Roku device. Power off your Roku device. Wait 30 seconds, then power it back on to clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Update the Peacock app. Press the button on your Roku remote while on the Peacock app and select Check for updates. Install any available update. Step 4. Update Roku firmware. Go to Roku settings, then System Update, and then Check Now. Install any available system updates. Step 5. Reinstall the Peacock app. Uninstall the Peacock app on Roku, then reinstall it from the Roku channel store. Step 6. Contact Peacock support. If the issue persists, you can contact support for Peacock via their website for further help. Now I have some additional tips for you. Ensure your Roku OS and Peacock app are always up to date. Avoid network congestion for smoother streaming. Restart your home router if streaming quality remains poor. And I'll also advise you to always use an Ethernet cable. That's how you fix Peacock not working on Roku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.